What are the most important questions a client should ask their personal injury attorney?
I like this question because I've seen other lawyers answer this video or answer this question, and they're giving advice on what a potential client should ask the lawyer. And I never have potential clients take that advice and ask those questions. And a lot of the lawyers, I don't think it through in terms of like they're telling a client what they should ask. But if they ever had a client actually ask those questions, I think that it would be kind of ridiculous. It would turn into micromanagement. You get lawyers say, they want a client to ask, how many trials have you done? How many cases are you currently handling? What's your, I think micromanagement is absolutely the word. If a client is that focused on every little detail in terms of being able to vet you properly, then you're going to run into issues in litigation. At the end of the day, clients make the decisions in litigation, but they need to take the lawyer's advice, meaning you're going to determine when to settle, but I'm going to tell you when the right time is to do that. And if we don't have trust and good communication and things flow, then things aren't going to work. Going back to the original question, what should you ask a lawyer? I think you can ask a potential lawyer anything you want. What is important to you? These are my injuries. Can you help me get medical care? How long do you think this is going to take? What do you think this case is worth? Whatever is on your mind, whatever you need to know is what you need to ask that lawyer. And then key thing there is trust. There are no specific questions that I'm going to tell you to ask because I think some of the stuff that lawyers will tell you to ask is just crazy and you're not going to understand. And they could not tell you the truth anyway. Make sure you ask questions you want answered and you trust the lawyer. If you trust them, go for it.